Hey everyone, it's G here. Woohoo! In Cali. Welcome to today's health tip of the day. So today is February 28th, 2018, the last day of February, guys. 2 months of has already gone already for this year. This is crazy. Anyway, so today I'll be sharing a fat burning recipe of the day. Woohoo! So today let's talk about the recipe I'll be sharing today is a passion fruit ginger smoothie. I love smoothies because they're very quick, easy to make, doesn't cost, doesn't require much time, and a lot of you guys are busy. So any kind of recipe that I come across that's involves a smoothie that I find that's very healthy and it can help us burn fat, I always get excited. So I'm sharing this recipe from Erin Nielsen. So that's today's recipe I'll be sharing with you guys. So to get the ingredients and directions for this recipe, all you gotta do is click on the Healthy You page. Link is below the description of this video. Go there and the recipe is in that page. If you're watching this on YouTube, the ingredients and directions will be in the description of the YouTube video. Okay, anyway, so here we go. Woo-hoo. So let's talk about the passion fruit ginger smoothie. All right, here we go. So first of all, let's talk about the benefits of this smoothie, and then I'm going to quickly give you guys the ingredients. And very easy, again, it's a smoothie, so it doesn't require much time. Put it in a blender and there you go. Okay, so one of the hardest things for a woman over 40 is the hormonal shift that occurs that makes losing belly fat even more difficult. And I'm a testament to that. It's very hard losing belly fat at my age, even if you exercise regularly. And that's me. Okay, definitely I can relate to that 100%. So today she's sharing a fat burner recipe that will help normalize your hormones. Ladies, we need this help, especially if you're over 40. This is going to help us. Okay. So the fat burning recipe has a unique ingredient called beet greens. So I didn't know what that was. So I really had to look it up on Google, did a search, and to now I know what it is. So I'm going to definitely go get the ingredients and make the smoothie. Okay. So what are the health benefits of this smoothie? It's going to be rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and detoxifying ingredients. So inflammation is going to help reduce inflammation. You're getting your antioxidants for the day. We need antioxidants every single day. And it's a great, it has detoxifying ingredients as well. Those are all three things that's going to help us. Antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, anything that can reduce your inflammation, and detox is definitely a plus when it comes to our health, okay? So what are the benefits of reducing inflammation? It slows aging, balances hormones, help prevent disease. So this recipe here is exciting because it's going to help us with those, achieve to get our antioxidants, to reduce some inflammation and detoxifying. Okay, so let's talk about the ingredients of this smoothie. Again, go to my Healthy You page, guys, and it's right in the ingredients and directions are in there. So we're gonna need a cup of water, a cup of chopped beet greens. If any of these ingredients you don't know, you can look it up. I have a half piece of fresh ginger that you need to peel and chop. Okay, so half a piece of fresh ginger, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. I have a great vanilla protein powder that I love. If you want to know what that is, you can message me. 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, a 1/4 cup frozen blueberries, a tablespoon of coconut oil, a half of a ripe passion fruit nectar. So if you don't have that, you can use a fruit that's in season, but she's referencing a passion fruit nectar, a half of a ripe passion fruit nectar, mint leaves for garnish, mint leaves, and your ice cubes, and extra water is needed. So you take all the ingredients, you pour it in your blender, guys. So add the water. So here's the direction she gives us. Add the water, beet greens, ginger to a high-speed blender jar and process on high until smooth. Add the rest of the ingredients and blend on high until smooth. Guys, that's it. That's it. So there you go. You have a smoothie that's going to help burn fat, that's going to help balance your hormones, that's going to help reduce inflammation, give you the antioxidants you need, give you some antioxidants, and it's great for detoxing. We need to do that every single day, cleanse our bodies. So this smoothie is achieving all of these great health benefits. And again, I love smoothies because they're easy to make. It doesn't require much time, and you can make this in the morning and just take it with you, drive it, drink it while you're driving to work, guys. So I hope this recipe helps. Try it out. Let me know what you guys what you think. What was your thought of the recipe? Again, go to the Healthy You page. Go get the recipe, the ingredients, the directions are there. Go get it. Try it out. I would really appreciate for you guys. For those of you to try it out, please comment or even message me. Let me know. Hey, G, this is wonderful. Thanks for thanks. I want to try it again. So as a mother's journey of helping you guys, giving you guys tips on the right way to eat, the right way to eat that's going to benefit us, that's going to help us. So this is a great recipe. I really need to share with you guys. So I'll definitely be doing more recipes. So make sure you hop over to the Healthy You page, grab the recipe, try it out, and comment and let me know. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'm definitely going to try this recipe out, guys. So do that. And when you go to the Healthy You page, if you haven't liked the page yet, you got to make sure you like the page so that every time I post anything in that page, you get notified. So I post these recipes, videos here, other recipes that I post in there that I don't always share here in the video. So make sure you like the page so that you get notified whenever I do a new post in that page. So thanks for the emoji. Somebody just give me emoji. Facebook isn't showing me who's on. Anyways, guys, that's it. That's my tip. Great recipe. What you guys, I love smoothies. I love smoothies because they're so easy to make. And you can blend these wonderful healthy items in one smoothie and get all these great benefits. Your greens, etc. It's just awesome. That's why I love smoothies. So try it out, guys, and let me know. Comment and give me some feedback. Let me know, what you thought of this recipe. Okay, so that's it. So as I leave, guys, if you want to know what I take to help me get antioxidants every single day, okay, message me and I would definitely send you some information of what I recommend for you to help you get your antioxidants. We need antioxidants every day. This has antioxidants, which is great, but it's not going to give you all the antioxidants you need in a day. It just can't. The foods, we just can't get all that. You can't eat a whole barrel of oranges. You can't eat a whole barrel of blueberries. Who can do that in a day, right? So we need a way to supplement to get the antioxidants. So because having antioxidants is just going to help you with your overall health. It reduces cellular damage, and that all the nutritionists will all tell you that. Every doctor you talk to your doctor, you will need antioxidants. So message me if you're interested, and I will share with you what I recommend to get your daily amount of antioxidants you need every day, so you have a healthier body. You're gonna feel great on the inside, and you're gonna look great on the outside as well. So again, just message me and I'll share what I recommend for your antioxidants. Anyways, that's my recipe for today, guys. I hope this helps. Share the video with your friends, family, guys. Try it out. Send it to share it to your friends and family so they can try it out too, and you guys can send me some feedback and let me know what your thoughts are in this smoothie. So that's my recipe of the day, fat burning recipe. Woohoo! Get excited, guys. Okay, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day. It's the last day of February, guys. Go enjoy. Make this your most best, precious, beautiful day ever. And I'll see you guys on my next health tip. Woo-hoo. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. And if you're watching a replay, throw me a replay in a comment. That'd be awesome. And share the recipe, and guys, you can try it out, okay? All right, have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.